We'll guide you through how to use the Zapier integration platform to streamline your workflows effortlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Zapier website and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard, which is your main hub for creating and managing Zaps. To start creating a new Zap, click on the Create Zap button, usually located at the top right corner. This will take you to the Zap editor. Here, you'll set up your trigger, which is the event that starts your Zap. Search for and select the app you want to use as your trigger. This could be anything from Gmail to Slack, depending on your needs. Once you've selected the app, choose the specific trigger event. For instance, if you choose Gmail, you might select New Email as your trigger. After selecting your trigger, you'll need to connect your app account to Zapier if you haven't done so already. Follow the prompts to log in securely. Once connected, set up any additional options or filters for your trigger, and then test it to ensure everything is working correctly. Next, you'll choose an action, which is what you want to happen once your trigger event occurs. Click on Add Action and select the app where you want the action to take place. For example, if you want to save email attachments to Google Drive, select Google Drive as your action app. Then choose the specific action, such as Upload File. Connect your account to Zapier, if required, and configure the action settings like the destination folder for files. Test your Zap to make sure it works as expected and save it. Once saved, your Zap will run automatically in the background whenever the trigger event happens. This automation can save you tons of time and streamline repetitive tasks. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.